One of my favorite parts so far of this internship has definitely been the yard tours, and being able to see the systems that I'm working on in person has definitely changed my perspective on how I work with them.
One thing we're working on right now is Aries cars. It's not new to the electrical industry, but it's new to the marine industry, and getting hands-on and being able to help cultivate something groundbreaking in this industry as an intern is pretty cool.
I was surprised with how personable and welcoming everybody was. They very much understood that we may not know the most about the company or shipbuilding, but they were so eager to teach us.
Bollinger seemed like it had a very family-like atmosphere, and they take pride in their work, and they're very well known, have a good reputation, and I was excited to come work here.
The thing I'm most looking forward to in this internship is taking all the experience that I get from it and applying it to my future career and everyday life.
One of my favorite parts about this internship was being able to go to lunch with the CEO. At the luncheon, he talked about how the company got started and where he plans to take it in the future.
Growing up in the South, I've been surrounded by the shipbuilding industry my entire life. So whenever I got the opportunity to come and work for Bollinger and actually be a part of that community, I knew it was an opportunity I couldn't pass up.
This is my third internship with Bollinger, so I think I can say, firsthand experience, that it truly does offer the best experience possible in shipbuilding. I believe build the best isn't just a motto here at Bollinger, it's more of a way of life, because we really do try to build the best and be the best in everything we do here.